Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open an account in VT Markets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to head on over to vtmarkets.com/demo-account. You can just go to vtmarkets.com and then click on account, but this is the quickest way. Alright, so once we've done that, we want to go ahead and click onto either open a live account or we got demo account. So for this demonstration, I'm going to open up a demo account. So then from here, they state 5 steps to get your demo account started. So put in your first name, last name, country, phone, number, email, and then click onto next step. Okay, so once we've filled this out, we want to go ahead and click onto next step. And now from here, we want to configure your demo account. So choose your trading platform. This could be MT5 or MT4. Choose account type, standard or raw. Choose account currency. So it can be USD, Oz, Canadian, Europe, or GBP. Choose account leverage and choose account balance. Now for this demonstration, I'm going to do 50,000. Going to make it Australian dollars. Account leverage, just going to keep it 100 to 1 standard, and I'm going to use MT5 because this is the most popular. Then from here, click on get your demo account. Now once you've done that, they're going to redirect you back to myaccount.vtmarkets.com. So this is where you can see all your account information. So demo account configuration. Now I'm just going to go ahead, I know. So congratulations, your 90-day demo MT5 account is now active, and this is a login server. Now if we want to go ahead and open live account, we can. So I'm going to click onto this and just quickly run through what this looks like. So now from here, you need to your verification status. So you're opening verification, so your basic information trading account activation not verified. We need to go ahead and verify now. Then the next step is ID verification and then POA verification. So if I want to go ahead and verify, click onto that. Now we need to put in our first name and all that stuff. And then this estimated time to complete in 3 minutes. So you need to put in your personal information, your account configuration, and your deposit now, and also your ID verification. So this is going to take less than 5 minutes. So just go through these steps and you'll open up a live account as well.